Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 47. How do I draw the channels in Elliott Wave theory? The answer is, wait to identify wave 1, 2, and 3. Then draw lines as shown step by step on the screen. Quote number 41. Nicholas Darvas said, "I believe in analysis and not forecasting." This is a good quote for keeping trading scientific and in the moment. Try to keep forecasting to a minimum if possible.
Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.